Have you ever wondered how sending a single text message travels across the world in just a second? Or how a simple tap on your phone connects you to information from billions of devices? It's all thanks to the internet, a technology that's so embedded in our lives, we often forget how incredible it really is. Today, we're taking a journey behind the screens to uncover what the internet actually is, how it works, and why it's the backbone of our connected world. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is the internet? Imagine a massive web that connects millions of devices around the world, computers, phones, tablets, and more. The internet is a global network, allowing these devices to exchange data, information, and messages. It's like a huge digital highway that anyone can access to share and receive information instantly. Now, how does this giant network actually work? When you open a website or send a message, data is broken down into small pieces called packets. These packets travel across various networks, guided by devices called routers and switches. Routers act like traffic managers, making sure packets take the quickest route to reach their destination. But where does the data come from? Most of the information on the internet is stored on powerful computers called servers. Servers are housed in large buildings called data centers, which are spread across the globe. When you search for something online, your device sends a request to one of these servers, which then sends back the data you're looking for. Every device on the internet has a unique identifier called an IP address. This address, like a postal address, helps route information to the right place. However, instead of typing IP addresses, we use website names like google.com or wikipedia.org. This is where the domain name system, or DNS, comes in. DNS translates website names into IP addresses, making it easier for us to navigate the web. There are different types of networks on the internet. For example, a local area network or LAN connects devices within a small area, like your home or office. In contrast, a wide area network or WAN connects devices over larger areas, like between cities or countries. These networks are all part of the larger internet. People often use internet and World Wide Web interchangeably, but they're not the same. The internet is the infrastructure, think of it as the highways and roads, while the World Wide Web is like the shops and services on these roads. The web is just one way we use the internet, alongside things like email, streaming, and online gaming. The internet has transformed our daily lives. We use it to stay in touch with family and friends, access education, work remotely, shop online, and even control smart home devices. It provides endless information and services at our fingertips, which was unimaginable just a few decades ago. But with so much information being shared, it's important to stay safe. Hackers, phishing scams, and malware are real threats. Using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and avoiding suspicious websites can help keep your data secure. Be cautious about sharing personal information and only use trusted websites. The internet is constantly evolving. With technologies like 5G, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things, IoT, we're moving toward a future where nearly everything will be connected. From smart cities to virtual reality, the internet's potential continues to grow, shaping our world in ways we can only imagine. And that's a closer look at the internet. It's a powerful tool that connects us globally, enabling communication, learning, and innovation. The internet has revolutionized our world, and as it continues to develop, it will bring even more exciting changes. Thanks for watching, and stay curious about the amazing technology around you.